Now students, I am going to give you 5 words. You have to give meanings of these 5 words based on today's chapter. First word is diverged. D-I-V-E-R-G-E-D. D-I-V-E-R-G-E-D. Second one is undergrowth. U-N-D-R-G-R-O-W-T-H. Undergrowth. Third one is wanted wear. W-A-N-T-E-D W-E-A-R. Wear. Fourth one is trodden. T-R-O-D-D-E-N. Fifth one is sigh. S-I-G-H. So students, now you write down or note down 5 questions, short answer type questions as per the CBSE syllabus. You will be having short answer type questions, long answer type questions, because it is online class going on. So that is why I am giving you short answer type questions. Who is the poet of the poem The Road Not Taken? Who is the poet of the poem The Road Not Taken? Question 2. Where is the poet? Where is the poet or the traveler standing at this moment? Where is the poet or the traveler is standing at this moment? Question 3. Why the poet is in a state of dilemma? Why the poet is in a state of dilemma? Question number 4. Why the poet chooses the less travelled road in the forest? Why the poet chooses the less travelled road in the forest? And the last question is, it is from the poem itself, the line, two roads diverged. Please note down, two roads diverged in a wood and I, within inverted comma. Through the above line, what does the poet want to say? Question mark. Through the above line, what does the poet want to say? Tick the correct option. The options are given below. Write down the options. We have to keep other option in life. A. We have to keep other option in life. B. We are in a state of dilemma. C. Correct choice. Correct choice makes difference in our life. Correct choice makes difference in our life. So guys, this much for today. See you once again. Till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.